Okay, so I was determined to make that work. I brought my projector and this old shower curtain, like cloth shower curtain, because I knew today on this particular road trip I was going to encounter some rainy weather. And I did. And I thought I was prepared to maybe watch some videos, maybe do some binge watching on Netflix from the car because it is cold and rainy. Let me show you. Quite the view though. I thought what I could do was put the projector on top of the projector box on my center console, and I thought that would be enough space or distance for it to fully show, the screen to fully show here on this white curtain. That did not work, but I will not give up. I am going to try this again. I will not let this thing defeat me, and I'm going to figure out how I can hook up this projector in Sangria. I don't think I ever told you my car's name before, but her name is Sangria. Yeah, I'm determined to find a way to make that work because I think that would just be really cool to have a projector screen in here and be able to watch movies or binge watch right here. But so since that's not working, I'm going to put that to the side and I'll just use my iPad instead. I guess today's video is going to be really short because I can't set up my projector and I thought that would be cool to show y'all.